Okay, so grade 7 girls, let us continue with lesson 2, 2.2, determine unit rates. We will determine unit rates with the ratios of fractions. Yes, I think it's Malak. Malak, is it you? And both of them. Ghalia, how are you feeling today? Ghalia,
Good.
how are you feeling today?
Vaccinated.
Good, miss.
Good, okay.
Yeah, it really.
His target 30 miles per centimeter. Sergio increases his target 30 miles per hour. How many miles does Sergio need to ride 1/4 hour to achieve this target speed? Now, they asked 30 miles. See here how I do, and then see the left side. Then copy this. 30 miles if they go in 1 hour. Okay. So 1/4 hour, 1/4 hour, how much? How do I teach you? 30 divided by 1 times 1/4, right? That means 30 over 4. If I ask you what is 30 over 4, is it 30 over 4? 1 second. 30 divided by 1 multiply by 1 over 4. Girls, give me a moment. First, let us see. Calculator. Quarter of. Girls, do you remember I told you what 30? Okay, directly we'll do it. 30 divided by 4. What is 30 divided by 4? It's 7.5. So we just directly got the answer. 7.5. Do you have any questions? Malak, Ghalia, do you have any questions?
No,
Please ask me. It's okay if you don't get it. You
No, I
divide
don't have any.
and then you multiply 1 over 4. Remember? I don't know which method are they following, but this is the best method to remember in your life. And how many more he needs? He needs more 0.5 mile per hour. So he needs to ride an additional of 0.5 mile per hour. Okay, guys, can I erase this?
Yes.
Okay, now let us go to next.
Yeah.
7.5. Okay. Come on here. Don't get panicked with this, okay? So no need for this thing. Just don't cut like that. Don't make your book dirty. Okay? So Noma bikes 5 miles to Peg's house. On a map, they measure the distance as 5-6 centimeters. 5 miles. Okay, see, like this is a map. Listen to me. This is a map. Okay.
A map?
A map. And she bikes 5 miles. How much she buy? Maybe her bike is here. Okay, her bike is here. From the bike start, she goes 5 miles with her bike. On the map, this is the map. The 5 mile is actually only 5 over 6 centimeters. Very small, because on the map they show from here to here. So 5 mile, if it shows on the map 5 over 6 centimeter, then same map shows that the mall is 3.5 centimeter from Peg's house. So after this, she goes more 3.5 centimeter from Peg's house. What is the actual distance between Peg's house and the mall? Okay. So mall from Peg house is 3.5 centimeter. And first let us see that 5 miles, if this is there, so 1 mile is how much? Okay, You know very well, it is, you have to divide, for 1 mile, you have to divide 5/6 divided by 5. Am I correct? You will divide this and this too, right, Lee? To know for 1 mile first, okay? When I divide for 1 mile, to know for 1 mile, when I divide this, I get 5/6 times, flip this. So you have 1/6. For 1 mile, it is 1/6 centimeter. How much did I get? For 1 mile, so 1 mile is 1/6, 1 mile in the map is 1/6 centimeter. So 3.5 centimeter is how many miles? Girls, don't you think so you have to change this? Don't you think so you have to change this? 1 mile is 1/6 centimeter. 1 mile is 1/6 centimeter. So 3.5 centimeter is how much? So 1/6, 1 by 1. How will you do this? You will divide.
Understand 5/6 divide 5/1. Then 5/6.
6 division becomes multiplication and you flip this. And you get 1/6. Now 1 mile, be very careful. 1 mile is 1/6. So 3.5 is how much? How do you do this? First, you divide these two, right? You divide how? You divide 1 divided by 1/6. Am I right? You don't divide 1/6 and over 1.
Yes, 5 multiply 1.
Give me a minute. Yes. It is 1/5.
Equal 5.
This 5 and 5 cancel. It's 1/6. Okay. Now, I got 1 mile. I got here, I'll do this again, clearly. I got here, 1 mile is how much, tell me?
Miss, you could erase this.
No problem. I got 1 mile is 1/6 centimeter in the map, right? So they're asking you 3.5 centimeter is from Pega's house to mall. They're asking you the distance between Pega house and the mall. So 3.5 centimeter is how much? How do you do this, girls? You divide this 1 divided by
Multiply
1/6. See, 1 divided by 1/6. Whatever the answer I get, I multiply with this. So 1 divided by 1/6 means I'll copy 1. Division becomes
Multiplication.
flip it. Am I right? So you got 6.
Oh,
This 6, you'll multiply with 3.5. Let me open this 3.5. How do you open this? 7/2, if I'm not wrong, right? 2 times, you can do this with the calculator also, or else 2 times 1, 2 times 3, and you get 21 centimeters, 21 miles. You get 21 miles. If you did not get it, I will explain you from the beginning, girls.
no, Miss.
Malak? Malak,
Yes, Miss. Yes.
first thing I find, 5 miles is this much. So 1 mile is how much? I get one answer, okay? For 1 mile, I got 1/6 centimeter. But 3.5 is how much? So I divide them. Whatever the answer I get, I multiply with 3.5. Ghalia.
Must I divide them in the calculator?
You can
Yeah,
divide
miss.
the calculator, no problem. See, if I use the, can you see the calculator on the screen?
No, I can't see.
Now can you see? I lost everything. Oh,
Yeah, no, I see.
Yeah, I can see. I can see
I
it.
lost everything. I lost everything. It's okay. Did you all write before or no?
Yeah, I finished.
Yeah.
Now see, if you want to do with the calculator, we just do this quickly, girls. Like 5 miles is 5/6. 1 mile is how much? Okay. So what do you do in the calculator? You divide 5 divided by 5/6 times 1. Okay. So you will get the answer. If you're in the calculator, you will get, it was, I think so, how many miles was it? 1/6.
21.
No, this one.
Oh yeah.
1/6. Then centimeter.
Yeah. Then.
Then-
Centimeter.
Yes. Then you have
1/6
like
over
yes.
1 equals
1
6.
mile is 1/6 centimeter. So 3.5 centimeter is how much? You open this 3.5.
Yeah. 1
You
multiplied
get
6 over.
you get 7/2. So you just do 1 divided by 1/6 multiplied by 7/2. How do you do this? You flip this, right?
Yeah, and then you got it
1,
equals
yeah, times 7/2, 2 times 3, that is 21 miles. It's easy, but you will forget if you don't concentrate, if you don't have practice. These steps are not that, yes. Finish, can I go to next question, girls? Ghali and Malak? Are you there?
Yeah, Miss.
Can
Yeah,
I?
yeah, I'm here. Yeah.
Claire boarded an airplane in Richmond, VA, and flew 414 miles directly to Charleston. What is it? Charleston. Okay. Like imagine from Saudi Arabia, you're going somewhere, Charleston is somewhere, and you flew 414 miles. How much? 414 miles from your home. The total flight was for 414 miles. The flight was how many hours? 3-4 hours. 3/4 hours, almost like 45 minutes. If you say 3/4 hours, oh, what am I doing? Why am I doing? I am fed up with it. 3/4 hours. How fast does Claire airplane fly in 1 hour? Simple. This is a simple one. See, now where will I write 1 hour? I cannot write with miles. I need to write out here.
So here's the.
Now, Ghalia, help me with this question. 414 miles is 3/4 hours. So 1 hour, how much? What will I divide and what will I multiply? Come on, tell me. What should I write in the numerator? Ghalia.
Yeah.
414 miles takes 3/4 hours. So 1 hour, how many miles I will go? What should I do the first? First thing I divide. Come on.
Okay. Yeah.
See on the screen.
Yeah.
What do I divide?
1 with 4.
Ghalia, you're not with me, I'm sure. What is on the screen? Read the thing. 414 miles is 3/4 hour. So 1 hour, how much? Look at us. Malak, can you help me?
Okay, miss.
Come on.
So we divide them and then we
What
multiply.
them is what? Them means what? What will you divide?
We will divide 414. Yeah.
414 divided by 3 over 4.
Divided by 3.3 over
Let's
4.
divide this first. 414 division becomes?
Division becomes multiplication.
And then what do I do to this?
To this we will
What should I write? The next thing. 4 over 3. This flips, yeah. It goes, it interchanges.
yeah, but miss, but we can't multiply 4 over 3.
The division become multiplication, and you flip this. 3 over 4 becomes 4 over 3. Now use the calculator. What is 414 multiplied by 4? Tell me what is it? Tell me, check the calculator. 400.
Okay, I'll calculate it. 400.
See, I did it without calculator quickly.
4 multiplied by Miss, how do I write 3/4 in the calculator? Or
Don't
4
do that. Multiply the numerator first and then do the denominator. Multiply the numerator, whatever you answer you get. See how I did it, see? Because you must learn Vadil and lead. Simple, not calculators. Because see, for my school, we are Indians. We never use calculators. So we become more, we become more faster in life. That's why I want you all, I know you have calculators, but you must use, see, your brains. 3 ones, 3, 5, 15, 3, 5, 15. How many extra?
1.
1. What is this number? 15.
5.
3, 5, 15. How many? There's no extra. That's it. Isn't it easy? I told you all from before.
Yeah.
But you all forget it. But you're allowed to use the calculators, okay? The answer is 552 miles. 552 miles. Check here, Malak. 414 times 4. What do you get?
4 multiplied by, I got this. Look, I'll show you. Because it's a really long number.
This one is easy.
I got this.
Where is my sweetheart? Show me. I cannot see your camera. Yeah, let me see your camera. Yes. What did you? Yes, 1656. Now what will you do?
1656.
You multiplied this year, Malak. You got 1656. Now you will divide with 3. Now divide the same number 1656 by 3.
What? So I divide 1656 by 3. I divide it.
Why do you divide it? Because you see here, Malak, the question. So you get 552. Okay?
But
So
how
you
did you use 3, Miss?
You will write in the answer 552 miles per hour. Write down here 552 miles per hour. 500.
Yes, but how did we divide this? We divide it over 1.
See,
1656.
look at the screen. You multiply this 2, you get some number 1656. Then you put the calculator with divide by 3. When you divide by 3, you get 552. Got it?
Okay.
I wish they were here. Ghalia, you need to concentrate. Again and again, I'm saying you.
Okay, Miss.
At least now look at the next question. Here. Rital, please, Rital. Stop troubling Vati. Okay. Brad buys 2 packages of mushroom. I think Dean cannot see because I'm sitting with that. Brad buys 2 packages of mushroom. Which mushroom costs less pound? So both you will check. There are 2 things. Okay. Now there are 2 types of mushroom. One is $11.25.
What are we going to write?
Not dollars, pounds. But they put dollars for 2 and 3 LB. So 1 LB or do the other way. See girls, do the other way because they want to know the cost.
Where do we write it?
I don't know which way do you have space. Do you have space there? Yes, you have there down. Just put, see, just, no, this question, just put two columns below that picture. Yes, below that picture, put 2 columns. Now, first one, see.
Yeah, and then
See,
where I'm
listen
gonna
to
write
me.
this.
Don't write. I will show you what you do. For per pound, they want to know which one is less cost. Okay. So we'll do for 2/3 LB, that's pounds, you are paying $11.25. So 1 LB, 1 pound, how much? This one you will find for this, and this one you will do half LB. You are paying 7.99. So 1 LB, you will pay how much? So it's like 11.25 divided by 2/3. And this one is 7.99 divided by half. Am I correct?
Yes.
So let us solve this one. 11.25 multiply by 3 over 2. 7.99 multiplied by 2 over 1. When I multiply both 11.25 and 3, I get 33.75 over 2. You can do with the calculator. 33.75 That's why be ready with the sticky notes, with everything. How will you fit there? 33.75 divided by 2. How much did you get? 16.875. 16.875 So see here, this is $16.875. And here, when you multiply 7.99 with 2, you multiply 7.99 times 2, you get it as 15.98. Now tell me which one is costlier.
So now we're gonna divide this by this or multiply.
I did this. I multiplied both and I multiplied both. So I got 33.75. I divided by 2. I got 16.875. When I multiply 7.99 to 2, I get 15.98. Alhamdulillah. Okay, I got 15.98. Now, which one is less costly? Which one is cheaper? Tell me, by looking at this, tell me, which one is cheaper? 15, yes. That means this one. Cremini mushroom is 16.88 and chantilly mushroom is 15 point. Just write down, don't write all of that. This one sentence is enough. That cost less, this is less. This cost less, okay?
What's all right?
Just circle this, see? Circle this, and write cost less. Where will you do everything? Please, girls, try to do in the copybook or sticky note if you feel you cannot understand. Later, it will be a problem.
Yes, Miss, I'm writing it in sticky notes.
Did you finish?
Okay, the period is not finished. You still have time. I will do one more question, question number 6. Can I erase this, girls? Can I erase it?
One minute, Miss, I'm doing the last one.
My girls here are faster than me.
I'm done.
Mela, can I?
Yes, Miss.
Now, question number 6. Jed is baking shortbread for a bake sale. The recipe calls for 1/4 cup of flour. See, 1/4 cup of flour and half sticks of butter, plus half sticks of butter. Okay, how many cups of flour should we need if we use 3 sticks of butter? So simple, half stick of butter. Half sticks need 1/4. So 3 sticks need how much? Very simple. Half sticks need 1/4 of flour. So 3 sticks need how much flour? What will you do? Tell me. 1/2 or 1/4? What do you do? What do you do first? How do you divide? 1/4 divided by half. Am I correct? Because you'll divide this way. And then whatever the answer you get, you will multiply with 3, right? Right here, Mateen?
Yes.
Now, when I divide this, open this. Am I right?
Yeah.
Division becomes?
Multiplication.
It's 10 over 4 if I'm not wrong. 10 over 4, I multiply with 3. So I get 30 over 4. What is my answer? If 30 over 4, 4 7s are 28. 3 over 4. 7, 3, 4. How do you get this? You will divide. Four 7s are 28. So it's 2 over 4. 2 over 4 means? 2 over 4 means it's like 7.5. 7, 2 over 4. You'll simplify, you get 7.5. Your answer is 7.5. So, did you understand all of this? Any questions, Rital? Simple. Just see the direction. You will divide this 2 and you multiply it. Malak, do you want me to explain again?
Who's gonna explain only this? I didn't understand.
I have a question.
Yes, yes.
Here, if like
See, Malak.
you,
Malak, let me explain once more. The recipe called 1/4 cup of flour and half stick. So half stick is 1/4 flour. You can even write the other way, no problem. If you can even write, start from this. 1/4 cup of flour gives you half stick. See? So 3 stick, only thing is with stick and stick units. See how you do this? You divide them. 1/4 divided by half. Did you understand this? How do you open it? 5 over 4 divided by 1 over 2. And you multiply this to 3. Yes, Malak, what was your question?
it's like here, if we want to change like how many there is, if another question come and he said instead of half a stick of butter, maybe like a whole stick of butter. How will we will divide it 2 times or only 1 time?
You will do the same procedure. Listen to me here. If you have 1/4 flour of half stick, for 3 stick, how much? You just divide this and you multiply this. Same procedure always. You open this, see? You open it, I got 5 over 4. You divide it with half. Division becomes multiplication and this flip. You get 10 over 4, you multiply with 3 sticks to get the answer. You got 7.5. Malak, did you get it now?
Yeah.
Yes. That's it. Take your break now. Have a great day. Finish writing?
Yeah.
And then